In this study, we wanted to understand if the mechanisms that underlie social fear contagion in a very distant clade from that of mammals is conserved, evolutionarily speaking, and so we wanted to study the mechanism that is present in mammals and see if the same mechanism was also present in fish. So the contagion of fear has been used as a model of emotion contagion. Fear is a very basic and ancestral emotion shared with other animals, and so it's very used for comparative studies in other animals so that we can understand the mechanisms in animal models. So far, this has been mainly studied in rodents, and in rodents we have a quite good understanding of the neural mechanisms that underlie fear contagion, and that's why we decided to try to test if similar mechanisms were also present in a divergent group such as teleost fish. So the idea of studying social fear contagion in zebrafish was basically to try to assess the occurrence of this behavior in fish and to test if the mechanisms that underlie the expression of this behavior are evolutionarily conserved in comparison to what we know that are the mechanisms in mammals. Fear contagion in zebrafish is expressed by basically two behaviors that are very stereotypic. When zebrafish become distressed or expresses fear, depending on the words you want to use, the first thing it does is darting. It's a zigzag swimming in the water column, trying basically to escape the source of danger, and this behavior is then followed by freezing. It goes to the bottom and then freezes, becomes immobile and stays immobile for quite some time. The fact that zebrafish expressed social fear contagion was not very surprising because this is an adaptive response that we expect to be widespread across animals. So if you have the ability to detect the presence of danger in the environment from the behavior of your conspecifics, of your partners, you have obviously an adaptive advantage. And so it's expected that this ability of detect fear in others has evolved in many different species.